Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm nursing a bit of a cold and a flu, and also we've got issues with the Twingo GT. Now, the suspension's been banging and crashing quite a bit for the past couple of months, and it's just come to a head really where it's just making a hell of a lot of noise. And also the car has actually, I don't know whether you can see or not, you might not be able to see it on there, but it's actually collapsed on one side, on the driver's side a little bit. So I think I've got the suspension, I've got the springs, I've got the dampers for all round. So for the fourth time this year, I'm replacing springs and dampers on cars. I'm not going to show you everything because it's you've seen it so many times on my channel. Also, I've got a bit of an oil leak somewhere. I think it's the valve cover gasket again, even though I replaced it quite recently. So I'm going to also attempt to have a look at that if I've got enough energy to do that. So yeah, let's get on with this. I'm really not looking forward to this one. So the first thing we do is take off the scuttle panel across here, so we can get to the top mounts here. Oh God, that's on tight. Oh. All it is a bloody cover. There we go. Oh. Looks like this has been off before because somebody's bit of car archaeology. Somebody's siliconed that down. So yeah, so it's going to be taking the two top mounts off. I might just buzz those off. So yeah, that's the first part. Okay, wheel is off. First real good look at the suspension, and it is rotten. Absolutely rotten. No wonder the dampers aren't working. The discs are pretty good, and so are the pads. Ooh. The discs are pretty good, and so are the pads. So yeah, that's fine. All the other suspension components look alright. I've got two wishbones, control arms, which are coming, so I'm going to replace the triangular thing just down in there. Do that later. And also I need to check the anti-roll bar bushings as well, because it could also be the knocking as well. But yeah, they all need replacing. It's riding horribly at the moment. So I've sort of hit a roadblock. The two bolts holding this strut in, they've basically just seized up. I've managed to strip the ends off, no matter how hard I tried not to. I've got a raging flu and chest and all sorts of stuff like that, and I think this is just the time when you go, yeah, okay, let's get some help in. Sometimes you can't do it all, yeah, it's this is the time. So I'm just managed to tighten them back up a little bit to make it safe to drive, and then I'm going to drive it to my garage I go to, which is Lee's Autos in Oldham, and hopefully get it into them, and they can just do the whole lot. As you can see, it's absolutely crusty as hell. So that strut, so it's ready to pop. I think unless it's actually already gone. The way it's driving is absolutely awful. So yep. And we got 6 weeks until the MOT, so that's all good. So I might just send it into them and get the MOT done along with the whole lot. Call it a day. Right, only a short video, but sometimes you just have to admit defeat and get help. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.